In this video, I make hot air balloon double leaf sewing tutorial. We continue from the last video. Here we use a straight needle type to sew at the pre-drawn points. This part is relatively simple, so we'll speed up and skip it. The straight needle part is complete. Fix the knot on the back. We can start embroidering the second part. We will first embroider the first layer of the double leaves in sequence. First, we insert the needle from one. Here we use an additional needle. Then insert the needle into two. And exit from three. Pass through this loop. Insert the needle again to fix it. Next, we repeat this step in order. We still speed up and skip it. The first circle is done. Then we repeat the previous steps to make another loop and fix it with the last stitch. To make it have a layered feeling, let's tidy it up. Then repeat this step. We still speed up and skip. Here, the second layer is completed. Let's organize it. Next, we will complete the last set of lines, completed in the same way as the first two groups. Let's tidy it up a bit. The double leaf part is done. This needle type seems very complicated, but it's just a repetition of the needle type. It requires more patience to make the coat. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.